Hello, I'm Muskan from Cheenta. Today we'll be solving a question from ISI M.Stat 2023, problem number 30. This problem at first looks very tedious, but we'll look into this question and observe a very interesting result used, the result of total probability. We'll go through this question and learn some basic definitions of certain events and independent events as well. Let's proceed. In this question, it is given that a be less than 500 be a positive integer. Consider a box containing balls numbered a plus 1, a plus 2, and so on till 500. Suppose that the ball numbered x is picked with probability 2xa by 500 plus a times 500 minus a plus 1 for x is equal to a plus 1 and so on till 500. We have to find the value of a. Okay, let's start with this. It is given that the probability of ball numbered x is picked up. So this is the probability. And since we have to find a value of a, we have to come up with some constants to which we can compare it. So the first thing that we know about probability that it lies between 0 and 1. And it is 0 for an event that is impossible to occur, also known as impossible event, and it has a probability as 1 if the event is certain. So, but here if we see, this won't solve our problem. It won't give us a numerical value of a if we use the inequality. So, what can we use actually? The first insight of this question is that we know that the sum of sample space is 1. We'll use that result. So that means if we use the summation from x is equal to a till x is equal to 500, we'll get 1. Because that is the sample space we have. So that is a very important result we'll be using here, and that will easily get us the value of a. It will be a cakewalk after this. So we'll just use the summation that will give us summation of 2xa over 500 plus a into 500 minus a plus 1, where x is going from a to 500. We have to solve for this. Let's see how we can find this summation. Now, if you carefully observe this, you'll notice that all these terms, 2a, 500 plus a and 500 minus a plus 1, they are independent of x and can easily be taken out of the summation. And thus, it can be written as 2a over 500 plus a into 500 minus a plus 1 into summation of x is equal to a till 500 of x, and that is very easy. That is actually an AP where the terms are a plus 1, a plus 2, so on till 500. That means our first term is equal to a, common difference is equal to 1, and the last term is equal to 500. So using the formula for AP, that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is 500 is equal to a plus, we have to find the number of terms. So n minus 1 times d is just 1. So we'll have 500 minus a plus 1 is equal to n. That is the total number of terms we have. So we have to find the sum of these number of terms. Now, the constant terms will remain as it is. And the sum will actually be n by 2. So the n is equal to this 500 minus a plus 1 n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that will be the same n minus n minus 1 into d, and that is just 1. You solve further, you will see that all these terms will get cancelled out. With this one, this will be cancelled out with this one. We are just left with a, and that is equal to 1. The summation of the probability is equal to 1. Hence, our a is equal to 1. So, our option number B is correct. Thank you. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can write in the comments. Thank you.